Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z9679XX. 18,000 miles on this Cruze. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, red hot in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 29 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway. And approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.